How's it going? Welcome to The Bearded Life. If you are a new visitor, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up on the video. It really does help a lot. If you're back at it again, welcome back, fam. We have another review video for you today. Today we are going to be reviewing Badass Beard Care's El Burrista, which is a beard balm that is a coffee scented beard balm, which is absolutely awesome. I've had the pleasure of trying out a couple of other products of theirs in the past. I'll go ahead and throw up a card there if you want to see that. There's a very funny shower review of one of their beard washes, so I highly suggest you go ahead and check that out. As well, you can go ahead and hit that notification, that bell, just in case that you want to be notified and see content as it comes out fresh, just so you don't miss anything from The Bearded Life. Now into the review video for the El Burrista. This is from Badass Beard Care. They got a lot of products out there. Most of them are pretty awesome, and this one doesn't disappoint any at all either. I'm a huge fan of coffee flavored scented beard balms, beard oils, anything coffee flavored. My wife and I frequent Starbucks multiple times a month. It is just part of my life and part of my being. My soul has a coffee bean in place of my heart. I really do feel that way. So I was really excited to get this when they said they were going to send this out to me. All of their links are down in the description in case you want to check them out. Now, onto their website. We'll go through this here. It says it's a mocha coffee profile as far as their scent is concerned. It's got a medium scent strength. They say that it is light with a natural hold, and it softens hair, hydrates skin, gets rid of itch and dandruff, and promotes healthy beard growth. Now, as far as the description of El Burrista, it says it's made with the same premium ingredients as our other products, but it is infused with an award-winning gourmet African and Indonesian blend of coffee beans that are hand-selected and expertly hand-roasted locally just hours before we use them in their products. The extreme freshness of these roasted beans impart a very pleasant yet potent aroma with naturally occurring notes of chocolate and vanilla that makes this new scent an instant house favorite. Handcrafted with all natural and 100% organic food grade ingredients, all of our oils and balms are easy to work with and will leave your beard and mustache full, soft, and healthy. Now, due to the added expense of the coffee beans, it says here, and at the time needed to create this amazing scent, there is an increase in product costs, and it is offered in 2-ounce size only, or you could get this little trial beard balm here. But we assure you that it is worth it, and we will know you will love it, guaranteed, or your money back. Now, the first thing, if you don't know anything about beard balm or beard oils, most of this stuff is handmade and hand manufactured. Now, most of the time it's just mixing up a few oils, throwing some essential oils in there and creating your own smell. But when you get into things like coffee, leather, pipe tobacco, cigar blends, things of that nature, you actually have to take time to infuse the oil with the non-traditional type of ingredients. So making things like this is a little bit more difficult, which is why they cost just a little bit more. But in my opinion, they are just a little bit more worth the price. So as you can see, I've dipped into this more than a few times, and it's definitely got that chocolate mocha feeling to it. It's not just like a straight espresso. Some of the other coffee products out on the market are more of like a straight just bean. They definitely went into a little more in-depth and care into making this product. So let's go ahead and get a guitar pick, one of the trusty tools to go ahead and get some beard balm out, and let's throw this into my beard. Now, you don't need really too much depending on your beard. Now, I apply beard balm 2 to 3 times a day just because I have a really curly beard. Right now, it is getting a little dry because it's a little later into the day, but we're just going to go ahead and take a little dab will do ya here and see how this blends together. Now, one of the ways that you can tell if it's a high quality or how much beeswax and how much hold it's going to have is how quickly it melts down. So as you can see right now, I just got just a little bit in the palm of my hand, and I'm just going to give it a few rubs together here, and already it's completely gone. So it's definitely not going to be a huge hold type product. But instantly I can smell that chocolate and vanilla and the coffee, and we're just going to throw that right in there and my beard just soaks it up. Now, I don't imagine, actually, you know what, I'm not going to say that. I've been using this product for about 2 or 3 weeks now, off and on, and I can say that the product itself lasts about 4 hours, I would say, for that scent. I really enjoy using this right early in the morning. It's a very like energetic, something about coffee, something about smelling coffee right whenever you get out, you know, of the shower in the morning and get ready to go to work. It's just very fresh, and it's very unique, and I love this smell for that reason. It's not too overpowering, and it is very moisturizing. You can see I'm using a pretty thin tooth comb, and normally my beard gets snagged up quite easily, and it really doesn't, not with this stuff. So you just give it a little comb through there. Like I said, you can apply this 2 to 3 times a day depending on your bearded needs. The smell is fantastic. The price point, I believe, is $22.49 for their 2-ounce tin of beard balm. I highly suggest you go check out this product. This is definitely a 5 out of 5 stars. There's nothing bad about this product that I have found. The quality is there, the ingredients are there, the customer service is there, the ease of use is there. Overall, it's awesome, man. Great, fantastic product from Badass Beard Care. Once again, this has been the El Barista's Beard Balm review. This is the Bearded Life. All of the links are down in the description from Badass Beard Care. Please go and check them out. Tell them that the Bearded Life sent you, and don't forget to give a big thumbs up on this video, and go ahead and leave a comment if you've tried or if you have bought the El Burrista, and let me know what your thoughts are down below. Once again, this is the Bearded Life, and as always, stay bearded. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. I hope you enjoyed today's content. If you want to see more from the Bearded Life, please click on that subscribe button to your left. As well, if you want to stick around for more, there are 2 additional videos for you to choose from. I wish you the very best of luck on your beard journey, and as always, stay bearded.